man, it's really a pleasure and a privilege to be here on the Jerk Festival. It's one of the biggest shows in New York for Jamaican culture. And so to be able to showcase my talent, my stage performance, everything like that was definitely a privilege. And I'm excited for what's to come next. You know, and what's coming next is a few things. Releasing a new single at the end of October, as well as I'm part of a rhythm project brought to you by Protege. And it includes artists like Lila Ike, Savannah, and Jazz Elise. And of course, just more new music, more rhythm projects. And I head to Europe in November for another tour. So keep in touch. Reggae vibes, you always bring in the vibes, right? You are me paradise plum. This is Naomi Cowan. Big up New York, Atlanta, and the whole world. And keep it locked with reggae vibes.
Play the fast of your top of the people. My grown people to get up and party with it.
Sunday God, I jump and I bring it lost. I really need what is not my fault.
Big people segment.
Reach by the terminus. I feel the bus come to a halt.
Yeah.
If I run down now the roundabout, but just as if that could not suffice.
I don't do that.
When I run to the bus and start to shout.
Who don't know this song? But sing it out, sing it out, sing it out.
Ramwood River. Really good teeth, make the earring to your daughter. Go we go to lunch to the bite in your bar.
It make you walk up.
It make you dark and walk on top.
Who don't get up yet? Come on, my people. Please tell me a time. Bless for yourself.
I move forward.
Are you the elder?
I man Cali.
Everything in my area.
Everything was irate. Getting in the groove. I just come down with a movement. When someone said, don't move. Well, it must.
What you say? What you say? What you say? Say no.
Play the music,
Play the music.
jump like little beast. Sip the waters, love your data, but play the music beat. Smoke your pipe and feel alright, but play the music sweet, sweet. No matter what you do, they can't get through. And what's up? Play the
Do
music.
you remember this one?
I'm telling you, I'm not even gonna waste no more time, ladies and gentlemen. This artist I'm gonna bring to the stage, he is big deal business. He makes his music. You see him on the TV commercial with the KFC and all these things. Welcome to the stage, Christopher Martin! Special dedication to the people. You are coming up, your mama push up on the man. I was a love your mama. Like it's up. All the mothers in the park to make some nice way, please. Can I see all the hands and all the flags to mama right now, please? All the mothers in the party, you know I love you so much. Nothing will change, nothing will change. I did not hear from my mama. And I see where would I be? You are now sitting, where would I be? In the streets, where would I be? Now listen up, but living up in here, nothing I put above you. No host, not a girl, not a kid. Stand the world of life, no, but you know, come from above. Me and you are part. No, I'm a princess, I am a dad. Leading on my life, but I'm not here, understand. Special dedication to the big woman. Everybody from your love, your mama. I want you to push up on the mama. Go stand up to your mama. That is the big enough. Pull up the one that you me say I'm so mama. Sing out to your mama. My beautiful people, yes, we bring your glory, Lord. I tell me sing this song, yes. You love your mama. Mama, somebody, no one like my mama. Don't tell my story. Now listen, no mama never brought it easy at times. She hides sometimes she cries. Oh yes, many days ago I was like, wow, you know it's me. Now listen up, we are done, cause some of us teach it. And in the scripture, she just believes it. And I read it, if I never want, I want everybody to see it. I hope I'm not for you, and the light of you. I don't see that tell you better pull up the one thing you know me say you're proud of your mama. Sing along to your mama, wonderful people, she bring it from the Lord. I'll tell you sing this one, yeah, you love your mama. You better get another chance to use that side. Happy me mama, sing it happy me mama. Don't forget the first and last, and all of this. Happy me mama.
but you know, some people are gonna just have to get full and thing, alright? I'm gonna serve that out. Alright, so basically, there's that. I want to speed up. Let's speed it up like so. So just break this up, knife with a knife. You have a knife? Yeah, just bring the knife out.
Well, I heard but I could not believe it. You were out all night on the town. I would call your phone, home alone. You were nowhere around. I would wait like a child on his birthday. All my waiting was in vain. Broke my heart, baby. But then you're gone and left me. And if you never needed my love, why did you say so?
My daddy say as one can man born like Andy say mad over and then end up in a bar then walk out in a car. We no join in the policy. I wanna know. I wanna know. Still lost, yeah. Me no wanna get like pressure me as me weak. Like how my real love get a shady. Better if you give me a break. Cause a boy like me, we know my we know my overload girl. Feel like Calais and spend enough money, no. We know my overload girl. Feel like Calais and we not enough money, no.
And I see all Lord on everything I wanna sound so good as far as I can see. Oh, no she does. Diana, I see you know all Lord on everything I wanna sound so good, but Lord if you not stop me. One more time, everybody see, don't let me get caught. I can't hear no, don't let me get caught. I listen louder, don't let me get caught. I think oh my Lord, I see it over, don't get caught. Now listen when I'm telling them, it's such a sticky situation. You know my promise, my girl, you only looking on the direction. Everyone they come and see our next one. I'm a body too weak, and a ball for attention. I only wanna give the girls what they want. My lady says I'm she would understand that all my life, and I don't want to cry. Now you will tell her why. I say, oh Lord, don't let me streets on the carpet. I wanna hear you sing as far as I can see. Beautiful girl, not cheap on me now. Oh Lord, I don't wanna cheat you, man. Listen to me right now, but Lord, if you don't stop me, now everybody can sing it and I'll be don't let me get caught. Don't let me get caught. Don't let me get caught. Now listen up, and I hope I don't get caught. Listen up. She said but she never met it. Forget and can't be a straight craziness. Oh my God, you see don't have me mediate. I can't make she know that she getting it. Yeah man, I want girl to a man as I was getting it. Hey but for me, I want girl to keep getting it. I never get caught yet. Can I hear all the record love and texting it? Oh Lord, don't let me cheat on the girl. Lord, them sound too good as far as I can see. But listen, she knows only me. Now oh Lord, I don't wanna cheat on my girlfriend. Oh, you sound too good, but Lord, if you not stop me. One more time, everybody, don't let me get caught. This a the girlish them anthem. Every man will love woman, push up your hand them. Okay, play that song you for your girlfriend. Man of it, she getting caught is the problem. Oh, Alright, stay right here, son. Yeah! One more time again. Woo, 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 yeah. We're gonna see the massive and crew know some of them songs here. You ready? Now listen up and sing again. Deep for diplomats. Keep pockets. Wanna hear me? Drive for trial and tourists, but every man in your hot temperatures. See the hypocrites, them a galante. And I see the hypocrites, them a galante. And I see the hypocrites, them a galante. Listen. Man, we got bubble and them fruits are good and never get through. I don't wanna try to use and abuse. I leave them with the crown. I own a fire pan and we got bubble and them fruit. Them good and never get me down. I know they try to use. I don't know what one. Listen up, now tune in. And I'm asking in the Lord. Now tune in. Down in the Lord. Wanna listen up, now tune in. Wanna say it in the Lord. Now I wanna see all the hands about the man to want to smoke. I see the hands up. Now listen again. Now listen up and pass the ocean thing. I can't hear wanna sing again. Pass the ocean thing. You don't know wanna sing now. Pass the ocean thing. Sexy ladies, you do too. Pass the ocean. Listen. Hey, she loves me now. Ooh, yes, she loves me now. Oh yes, she loves me now. Ooh, yes, she loves me now. All reggae lovers, can I see the hands up for me right now, please? Jamaica, you know what I'm going, don't you? If I were a carpenter, now would you marry me? Now tell me, would you have my? Oh, I said if I were a miller, and that mission. Now tell me, would you miss your lover? Now would you miss your assumption? Now everybody sing the bridge with me. In a sexy man love to. In a sexy man love to. Ladies, I'm giving you my all in this. Would you give me your tomorrow? Please, baby. Now would you give me your tomorrow, baby? 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 Chanty, Mount of Mercy, mix up. Why you not love people peace? Leave it. I said you love people business. Good God, I tell you about. Now see neighbor, no one's in neighbor. Your place for fix up. Oh, why you not love people business? Leave people business. What the thing is, leave people business. Not everybody inside you know this. Oh God. And I said one time people them used to say, one sweet and the goes and go run in belly. So when we touching on the street, nobody see me. So give me things and not the people so you give it. Who them can't look in my face again. When my police come running on my place again. So right I know we are second this call. New York massive and you sing it once. You know everybody say Chanty, Mount of Mercy. Mix up, why you not love people business? I said you love people business. Good God, I tell you how. Now see dealer, no one's in me about your place one fix. Why you not love people business? Leave people business alone. Talk to them, singer, talk to them. Just who them chatty man can't live in peace. So we can't run God to the like of these. Street chat, from my name them I give ya. Make a tell you, see the hypocrites, them a gallant there. You hear them out before you see them. Real talk can make me cause she die on there. She left me cause she listen to them. But them a teach how me name them a yip yap. Who Lord is like them wow we people share. Really need them so good. So everybody push it and push it and you again. Chanty, Mount Mercy, mix up. Why you not know people business? Leave people business. Good God and tell you now. Nancy, you go. Your place from fix up. Why you not know people business? Leave people business alone. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. I can't hear it. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Make some noise for my brother Romy and Fergus, please. Come on, I'm a singer. Come on. Start it, man. You have to sing this to me, please. We sing ta-na-na, we sing ta-na-na. All the lovers inside the New York right now. Come on, your time. Oh, yeah. Lovers, jump this, but let's go. We sing it, talk about love, talk about trust. We're talking about forever, baby. Talk about us. I give you my word and stick to my guns. Believe me when I say, baby, it's just because you don't understand. Come on, the full intent. That's where we are doing for your life. So baby, take it on. Step on the long. Bring them. Let me hear you. Say, baby. Wow, you're so provider. Yes, girl. Just say you let me, Johnny. Yes, they shall show. When I know that those young girls will grow, and they like the trees they are blue, and they shall show what kind of way. When I know when those young girls walk into, there is no one like you. It's awesome. When I see my friend. When I am to yeah. Don't need no fun. When I can see my friend, turn everything here. I have to find. Call me on the bread of big bar. I don't know. Love you, New York. New York, qualify nice in the black. Represent the show, New York. Burn every day. Yes, every church. We represent the unity. We want to see all the flags up. We want to see all the hands up, New York. From the New York region. Everyone. New York. So we're for the one because real no real boy. Real no real boy. Sometimes they artificial, them disappear like paper. No, they never come back paper. Friends you again. Real no real boy. Real no real boy. New York will represent the every youth. Represent the truth, we see them and got you, we salute. No make no mistake, know the real from the face. Can't use biographic your headache. Can't preach love if your thoughts full of hate. Don't take nothing, you stay on the street. Oh, we not like
Stop on the check it. No people come in like you will wear cosmetic and no real. Real people in New York City,
Massive and crew, this is yours truly, D Major, representing for the biggest and the baddest Reggae Vibes Radio. So me I say, me and my baby, we have a real, no real boy. Mama said, show me your company. Reggae Vibes Radio, D Major says, salute every youth to represent the truth. Love, I want you all to go check out my latest single, Red Alert. You see me I say, on the Dual Citizens Rhythm. Go up on YouTube, go up on my Viva, you know what I'm saying? That one out for the youth, them. If your heart clean, every Caribbean person is supposed to grow up listening to this proverb. Mama says, show me your company. Tell you who you are. Make sure you know your friends. Red Alert. Boom.
Sometimes they are to be shot, them disappear like paper. You know what them are called paper. You can't fake them. We represent for every youth. Level. New York, listen to it. Level. We see them just give them smiley comes up eating at them pie. Standing in them trying cursing in at them eye. Copy when them claim them have original style. Fertilizing in them side. One of them shall get dash over. See them not read them and wash over. DJ for stay when the crash over. Oh yes, while them cut. New York, we play them now. Big up my brother, them Romy and Virgo, Chris Martin. They don't know D Major, they have to represent, right? Yeah.
Make more noise for my brother, please. The girls are beautiful. Lovely. So my singer is here with me and my singer is here with me. So we're gonna bake a nice cake for the beautiful ladies this Sunday. And listen. I've been loving you too long. Can't stop now. Say no. You were just my baby, and you wanna be free. Now, baby, my love is going stronger as you become a habit to me. So now, baby, I've been loving you too long, too long. Now, baby, I can't stop now. Say no. Sing it.
Ladies, if you're feeling beautiful, let me hear you scream. We're gonna do some classics for the ladies. See, if you ever change your mind, sing it. What you need, bring it to me, girl. Bring your sweet love and bring it on home to me. Yeah. Can I sing for y'all? What's it? I've been really trying, baby, trying to hold back this feeling for so long. And if you feel like I can feel it, so come on. Oh, come on. Let me know y'all, come on. Hey! I'm hot just like a loving. I need some loving, baby. I can hold this much longer. It's getting stronger and stronger. We don't get that feeling.
sexual healing. After sexual healing. I said it. See, oh my love, baby, oh my darling, I've hungered for your touch a long, lonely time. Beautiful ladies, yes, and time goes by so slowly, yes, and time can do so much. Ladies, are you still mine? Do you make some noise for me, Major? Whoa! Big up. Ladies, my mind's telling me no, but my body's telling me yes. Ladies, show up. See, I don't wanna hurt nobody, but there is something that I must confess. Love and respect. Come on. Now everybody goes. We. I don't can't dance good, but everybody listen. Oh, na 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 na. All of the sexy ladies now. Oh, na 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 na. Oh, listen up. Can I see many of us? Now baby, no way. Can I see many of your hands on my shoulder? Sing that. Now listen to me, girl. Make sure, and baby girl, I'm gonna make sure. And I tell you I'm gonna make sure to keep you safe. All of the pretty ladies and me a sing and I say, oh, na na na. And me say yes, I you know man, you know I know man. And I'm a cross over this I know what I get because you want to be with me and na. And me say, oh, na 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 na. And yes, I you know proper yes. And the beat man comes inside the party. And the beat man comes inside the party. Listen. It's all about love. And the difference is that I know. Me say the two of them place I am. And anyway, and them argue. That's the boy them run. And the difference is that I know. Me say the two of them place I am. But anyway, everybody must know the tune. Come everybody sing. Now sing Sima. Who are the big Sima? Dancehall lovers, reggae lovers, sexy ladies, big up the regional level of boom on them. You see me? Oh no 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 no. I'm the girl I got. Take me talk and mark up your. Cause you deserve a man to give you love and much more. Much more. I'm gonna take me talk on the road. Come and down the road, love your own. I'll take me talk and mark up.